Cordial saludo. Mi nombre es María Janet Capote Rivera y estaré realizando el paso 3 de la actividad de la materia de inglés A2. Para este tema, para esta actividad he escogido el video de el doctor y dice así: Hello everyone. My name is Maria Janet Capote Rivera and I am doctor. Today I want to help you have a healthy life and prevent illness. First, you must eat healthy food. Eat fruits, vegetables, and proteins like chicken, fish, and eggs. Do not eat too much sugar, fast food, or salt. Second, drink a lot of water every day. Water is very important for your body. You should drink 8 glasses of water or more. Third, do exercise. You can walk, run, dance, or play sport. Exercise helps your heart, your muscles, and your mind. Try to do exercise at least 5 times a week. First, sleep well every night. Low must sleep between 7 and 9 hours. Good sleep keeps you strong and happy. Feet wash your hands. Washing your hands prevents many diseases. Use soap and water, especially before eating and after using the bathroom. 6. Go to the doctor every year. A medical check-up helps you find problems early and stay healthy. Also avoid smoking and drinking too much alcohol. Smoke and alcohol are bad for your body. Remember, eat well, drink water, exercise, sleep enough, wash your hands, and visit your doctor. Thank you for listening. Take care and be healthy. Goodbye. Muchas gracias.